Hi guys, if you want to change microphone sensitivity in Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, right click on this speaker icon on the taskbar here and then click on sound settings. Now here scroll down and under the advanced section, you will see this more sound setting option. Simply click on it and the sound control panel will appear. From here, go to the recording tab and select your microphone. You can see this is my microphone. So once you select your microphone, click on the properties here and the microphone properties will appear. Here you have to go to the levels tab and here you will be able to see your microphone sensitivity. Here you can see my microphone sensitivity is set to 86. Now let's say I want to increase my microphone sensitivity. So I will simply select this slider and I will drag it to maximum. Now here you can see my microphone sensitivity is set to maximum, which is 100. Similarly, if you want to reduce your microphone sensitivity, then simply click on this slider and then drag it down. And here you can set whatever sensitivity level you want. Let's say I want to keep it 70. So I will keep it 70. So from here, you can easily increase or decrease your microphone sensitivity level according to your requirement. And once you have set microphone sensitivity level of your choice, simply click on OK and then again click on OK. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily change microphone sensitivity in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.